Hi, and welcome back to Money and Margarita's date night series. So if you haven't already, go ahead and get your margarita or your mocktail and find a comfy spot for you and your partner and get ready for this week's question. All right, so this week's question is, what is your net worth? Okay, what is your net worth? Okay, go ahead and pause. Okay, so don't fret if you actually don't know what your net worth is. This was a little bit of a trick question because most people, and studies have shown, don't have any idea what their net worth is or how to calculate their net worth. So if your answer was, I don't know what she's talking about, that is totally okay. The reason why I wanted this to be a date night challenge is because I think one, just bringing it to surface that, hey, this is something that if you want to be smart about money and you want to retire early, you have to be monitoring and know what your net worth is. And what it is essentially is you take all of your assets and income that are coming in and you subtract from that all of your liabilities. So anything that's going out, any debt you owe, etc. And basically once you subtract those debts from your assets, that is your total net worth. And ideally, over time, if you're being smart, every month you should have a goal to increase that net worth over time. So I will go ahead and link some resources for you in the comments. So if you don't already have an idea of what your net worth is, it's pretty easy to calculate. So we will give you the tools to do so. So this is a great thing that you can do with your partner. A, figure out what it is, and B, start tracking it together so that you guys can move forward and get closer to your goal of financial independence and retiring early. Okay, so here is the Money and Margaritas net worth calculator template we created. Super easy to use. There's instructions on here. This is available for free on our website, moneyandmargaritas.com. It's really simple. You just go in and you add first your liabilities and debts, the amount, and we put in every month on here, so if you want to track it throughout the year, and then your total liabilities, and then there's a formula in here that will add it all up. And so when you're done, you can scroll down, it'll be total liabilities, you subtract that from all the assets you have, and then that will calculate automatically your net worth. So go ahead and check it out at moneyandmargaritas.com. Thank you. All right, have a great one. Cheers.